Okay, good day again, everyone. So, what we'll be discussing today is about naming a range. So, naming a range is you choose a range from the Excel sheet and then you name it with with an appropriate name that is related to the to the range. Okay, so to do that, okay, so we have here a sample. Uh, I've used this data in doing some ifs. So now we'll be using this sample as a way to demonstrate to you how to name a range. Okay. So to do that, just have to select press just press shift and then down arrow. Okay, and from channel partners to the government, and then we'll name this as, okay, so there's already a name. Let's say cooks. Yeah, there's already a name in here. Cooks. Say, yeah, name is cooks. Cooks is short for cost of goods sold. Okay, and then the next one, we'll name this as profit. Okay, and then also do this again on the sales. Shift and then press down arrow and then name it as sales. Okay, so now we have the naming of the range. Okay, we have the hooks, we have here the profit, we have here the sales, and then we also name this one is, just have to copy this one, and then we have to name this as channel sales partner. Okay, so it doesn't want in space naming. Okay, so we have to underscore channel partner. Okay. This one, copy this one. You have to do the same thing with the channel partners. And then name that one. I my bad. This one thing. Copy first this one, and then we also have to do the same with the enterprise. Enterprise. And then small business. Small, and then underscore business. And then the last one, government. Okay, so we already have the names of the different range. Okay, so we have the profit, we have the sales, we have here the channel partners, markets, and so on. So we had to compute this one using the sum to check if we have a correct computation when we use this naming range. Okay, so first let's check. The good thing about this is you just have to name the name range whenever you perform any function. Okay, so let's say gonna perform an average. Okay, let's try to check the sum. Okay, to check if we have a correct computation. Okay, so the next one, the first thing we need to know is sum. and then just have to type the cogs. There, enter, and then oh, see, that's the benefit of using a name range. You just have to type the name of the cogs. It's the cogs here, and this is very effective when you are naming large data who has a populating data up to 6 up to the last one of this Excel sheet. So here I'm just showing just a limited number of data. Okay, so the next one is average. Let's say average. Let's have to type average and then type cogs. There. Now have the average. And then let's try standard. Okay, so 10. Okay, so we have to try. Also, we can also do that in here. Let's do the same in here. Let's say the sum. We just have to type sum and then bracket. There. We have there the total sum. And average. Have to type average again. And then type bracket. So easy, right? And then so you have to type into sum and then saves. No S. Okay, so and then for the average, average saves. There, that's the benefit of that. And we can also do that in here for the segment. Okay, so we can do that in here. Let's try in here. There's a sum. Channel partners. Actually, it appears in here. Yeah. Have to tap that one. There it appears now. And also some. And then mid market. You can easily click the mid market here. There. So you can also so sum and then enterprise. Okay, it's already there. Just have to click that one and then enter. And then next one is small business. Okay, there. And then sum again. There. Okay. So that's a good thing of using a range. And we can also do that to, let's say we wanted to find the total, we wanted to to take the total of sales to the total of, let's say, the percentage of sales to COGS. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just add to type that one. You can use this sum and then COGS. I mean, yeah, COGS, and then over the sum of sales. See, it's very easy naming. Yeah. So the percentage is 85.7%. 85.77%. Okay, so that's the good thing of that's the advantage of naming the the range for each of our spreadsheet. Okay, so we can see all of these names in here. Just go to the data, then we have to check the where is it? Oh, in the formula, you have to go to the formulas and then the name manager. There we can see all of those different naming here. So we have here the COGS, have the channel partners, we have here the enterprise, then the profit. And when we click that one, you can see here naming of group. Okay, so we have here the names, and you can comment on that. Okay, so that's it for now, and I hope you learned a lot from this Excel video tutorial. Thank you.